You might know the grammar, you might have the vocabulary. But until you understand the slang, you're still missing the soul of the language. American slang isn't just about sounding cool, it's about connection, confidence and culture. In this video, we'll break down 20 of the most popular slang words Americans actually use, with examples, tone and when to say them. Let's dive in. If something is lit, it means it's amazing, exciting or full of energy. It could be a party, a performance, or even a video. It brings the vibe up. For example, the festival was lit. I've never danced that much in my life. Use this when you want to hype something in a fun and informal way. When someone is salty, they're not tasting salt, they're bitter, annoyed or upset, usually over something small. It's a playful insult used among friends, not too harsh, but still cheeky. For example, he got salty just because I beat him at chess. To ghost someone means to suddenly disappear from a conversation or relationship without any explanation. No texts, no calls, just silence. Use this word carefully. It's often tied to dating and online chats. For example, we were talking every day and then he ghosted me. Flex means to show off, whether it's your new sneakers, your muscles, or your vacation. Sometimes it's cool, other times it's cringe. For example, he posted that car pic just to flex on his ex. You can also use weird flex, but okay, to mock someone showing off something unnecessary. Lowkey is a quiet admission. You say it when you don't want to shout it from the rooftops, but you still feel it. It's subtle, humble, and often paired with confessions or emotions. For example, I low-key love pineapple on pizza. Bougie is short for bourgeois, someone trying to be fancy or high class, often in a way that's over the top or fake. Use it when someone's being extra about their taste or lifestyle. Like she brought truffle oil to a picnic, so bougie. This one's simple. Chill means relaxed, calm or easygoing. It can describe people, places, or even plans. For example, he's so chill, nothing ever gets to him. It's also used to ask someone to relax, like, hey, chill out. When someone's look is snatched, it means they are looking fierce, flawless, and perfectly styled. This is top-tier fashion praise, especially in online or pop culture circles. For example, that outfit, snatched. Have snatched confidence, snatched. Tea means gossip. Spilling the tea means revealing juicy secrets. And if you have tea, people want to hear it. Just remember, sipping tea means listening, and spilling tea means talking. For example, I've got tea about their breakup, and it's wild. Savage means someone did or said something extremely bold, brutally honest, or without fear of consequences. It's admiration mixed with awe, the kind of boldness we secretly wish we had. For example, she told her boss to do his own job. Savage. Originally a compliment for being socially aware and alert to injustice, woke has become a loaded term. Still, it generally means you care about issues and don't live in ignorance. Be careful though, sometimes it's used sarcastically or politically. For example, he stays woke, always speaking up for what's right. Extra means over the top in behavior, dress, or drama. Someone who's extra just can't keep it simple. It can be annoying or funny, depending on the tone. For example, she wore a ball gun to the coffee shop, so extra. The opposite of extra is basic. It means unoriginal, predictable, or mainstream in a boring way. It's not always an insult, sometimes it's just true. For example, pumpkin spice lattes and yoga pants, so basic. Slay means to succeed, impress, or dominate something, often with style. It's a high compliment, whether for looks, Confidence or performance, for example. You slayed that presentation. To throw shade is to insult someone in a slick, subtle way, like a hidden burn. It's all about tone, cool, passive-aggressive. And oh so clever, for example. She said not everyone can pull off that look, total shade. A clap back is a sharp, clever comeback to an insult or criticism. If you clap back, you're defending yourself with style. For example, they tried to troll her online, but her clap back shut them down. A vibe is the mood, energy, or atmosphere of a person or place. It's also a verb now, for example. That cafe has such a chill vibe. Or I'm just vibing to this playlist. Fam is short for family, but it refers to your closest group, friends who feel like family. It's casual, warm, and used in tight-knit circles. For example, love hanging out with my fam on weekends. Bet means okay, sure, or deal. It's a way to express agreement or commitment. Often with confidence, for example. You coming to the game, bet. It's short, punchy, and very 2025. Now that you know the slang, you're not just learning English, you're speaking real English. These phrases aren't just trendy, they're your gateway to sounding confident, relatable, and fluent in everyday conversation. So go ahead, flex your skills. Slay your goals and vibe with your fam. If this helped, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite slang word. And don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Boost. Stay lit, stay learning.